guys, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do another hair video for you guys, as I feel I've been doing a bit too much makeup videos and I'm wanting to have a variety of things on my channel. So in today's video I will be featuring this box braids. I had them installed for my birthday last week. They are kind of wearing out as I haven't been looking after them as I should, but I thought I'd come on here and show you guys all the different styles that I have been using this last week just to style them up. I have been having so much of fun styling these box braids. They are so comfortable, so easy, not having to style your hair in the morning or taking up so much time in the morning to style them. But yeah, if you're keen on checking out all the hairstyles that I have created, continue watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.